Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell down below so that you'll never miss another upload. First of all, before we get started with the video, thank you all so much for 10,000 subscribers. I think I'm over 10,000 subscribers now, but thank you so much. My goal for the end of the year was to be at 10,000 subscribers. That's been my goal for the past 2 years, and I'm finally there. So thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed, for sharing my videos. Thank you so much. It makes me so happy. I absolutely love sharing my knowledge of hair care, whether it was relaxed hair care or heat trained hair care. Hair care is what I'm so passionate about. I love posting videos on YouTube, and I love having a YouTube channel and sharing a little bit of knowledge that I have about hair care and how I keep my hair healthy. So thank you all so much. So in today's video, I did want to show you all how I care for my scalp. I get a lot of questions on what do I use for scalp care? Do I oil my scalp? And the answer is yes, I do oil my scalp, but as somebody who wears their hair straight on a regular basis, I can't be too crazy with the oils because of course it's going to weigh your hair down. It's going to make your hair look greasy, especially if you have like a really nice silky silk press. You don't want to go in with a ton of oil in your scalp because that's just going to weigh down your hair. So I am currently at about 2 weeks post wash day. So right around 2 weeks is when I notice my scalp does get a little flaky, especially now that it is a lot colder outside. So I do like to go in at this point and just oil my scalp just a little bit, especially where it's flaky, which tends to be like right around the front of my hair, right in this section. Like the back really doesn't get flaky, it's just around the front. So I did make a video years ago on this Fenugreek hair oil that I make. I still use it to this day. I have made it for everybody. Everybody loves this oil. So I'm gonna put a link to that video down in the description box. Please check that out. I show you everything that I use, the whole recipe on how I make this. It is fenugreek. It does have like, it's made with the fenugreek seeds, soaked in the fenugreek seeds. This stuff is the absolute best. And let me tell you, this is not going to have your hair falling out like that My L, rosemary mint. Don't use that. Please don't use that. Use this. Make this. Use this. So I did make it so that it's in this convenient dropper. And so I'm just going to take a little bit at a time. Like I'm just going to just put, I'm not going to fill the dropper all the way up because I don't want greasiness everywhere. But I am going to go in and just put it a little bit right there in my part. And then just go in a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm being super light-handed with this. I'm not going in heavy. And just lightly oil my scalp where I need it, where it's dry and it is looking a little flaky. So, and I don't plan on washing my hair for another 2 weeks. So the end of the month after Christmas is when I'm going to wash my hair. I do have some wash day videos coming out. There's a new product that I bought that I'm so excited to try. I'm going to do a wash day routine on it. So I can't wait to that video. But get ready. I have some videos planned out for you guys. I know I've been kind of slacking just a little bit, but there are more videos to come, especially 2025. So get ready. So it's going in a little bit. And you can do this, I would say do it every 3 days. I don't feel like there's a need to actually like put oil in your hair every day, because I feel like once you put the oil in, it should absorb into your scalp and it shouldn't get flaky again for at least a few days. So that's just how I do it. And then also I will say that the night before my wash day, I do like to go through my entire scalp and just put this all throughout my scalp and sleep with it in overnight and then wash my hair the following day. I find that that helps as well. So whenever you see me come on here and I do my wash through routines, my hair looks super greasy. That's because I go in the night before and I put this all throughout my scalp and sleep with it in overnight. Another thing that I like to do just to get the blood flow going in my scalp, which also promotes hair growth. As you know, scalp massages do promote hair growth, especially when you're mixing it with oils, because oils have a lot of hair growth properties as well. Is to just give yourself like a little nice scalp massage so that you get the blood flowing in your scalp. So yeah, so that's pretty much how I oil my scalp, just to take care of my scalp and keep my scalp healthy so that it's not flaking all over the place. Because, you know, in the past years when I was relaxed, my scalp was super flaky. Now that I don't relax my hair and I use my scalp oil, it's not as bad. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I just wanted to show you how I oil my scalp. So be sure to check out that video where I make this fenugreek hair oil. I will leave all the links down in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.